A fire incident happened in Al-Aqsa Mosque on this land and the Babri Masjid was martyred. Al-Aqsa Mosque was built by the Prophet of Allah Almighty. The Babri Masjid was built by the common man of mud of this world. There is an invisible standing trap in this land. Who is the enemy of Al-Aqsa Mosque? He is the one who martyred the Babri Masjid, and he is the enemy of every mosque on earth. The sanctity of Al-Aqsa Mosque and its call. If we pay attention to the call, so establish prayer on the whole earth and the Babri Masjid too, along with every mosque alive in the world. Whoever is sincere to the mosques of Allah should establish prayer and leave songs, movies, and dramas.